everyone, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today I'm going to share with you the review of another very affordable eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty, and that is Swiss Beauty Pro Paris Fashion 32 color Forever eyeshadow palette. So friends, one of my subscriber has requested me to review this particular palette. That's why I have bought, and on her request only I'm doing this video. So I hope this video is helpful to you all as well. So friends, before proceeding, if you want to enjoy more such type of videos, and I come up with this type of videos on my channel very frequently, so please do subscribe to my channel, which is absolutely free, and also hit the notification icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload any of my videos. And also please give it a big thumbs up and share if you like this particular video. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the review of this particular palette, and after that I'll be sharing with you how I have created this eye makeup look. So let's get started. This eyeshadow palette comes in a very pretty black matte cardboard packaging. You can see here it's written Swiss Beauty Pro Paris Fashion 32 color Forever eyeshadows, and this eyeshadow palette retails for rupees 599. It is mentioned over here on the top, as you can see. Other shades that we are getting in this eyeshadow palette is also mentioned over here for our reference, as you can see. You can see over here also some details are also mentioned. The MRP is mentioned and the net weight is mentioned, that is 24 grams. And also we are getting the manufacture date and expiry date. We are getting 4 years of shelf life to use this product. So friends, as you can see, the ingredients are mentioned and there is paraben in this product. Such a pretty packaging, I liked it a lot. It looks so luxurious and so classy, and it is a shiny black packaging, and the plastic quality is really very good. It is not at all flimsy or cheap. So friends, you can see there is a plastic sheet given over here so that our eyeshadows are not damaged. There are satin eyeshadows and there are some matte eyeshadows. So there are not much foiled and metallic sort of eyeshadows given in this particular palette. And this eyeshadow palette is a neutral eyeshadow palette. There are so many nude shades. In this first row you can see these two shades are actually matte shades. In this second row you can see these three shades are actually matte shades, and this one on the right, this blue shade, is actually a satin finish eyeshadow. It is not a proper matte shade. And here in this row you can see this one is a matte shade over here, and rest all are satin and shimmery eyeshadows. And in the last row, in this row, these two are matte shades, and here also we are getting two matte shades, and the eyeshadows do blend really well. And the matte shades are not very highly pigmented. They are buildable. You have to build them up, so it is really good for beginners. And if you are a beginner, then definitely you can experiment with many eye makeup looks using this particular palette. There is also little bit fallout, very minimal fallout while applying these eyeshadows on the eyelids. That is what I have seen. So I'm showing you these shades first. These are the satin finish eyeshadows given. So friends, you can see the pigmentation. The pigmentation is really good. So friends, you can see the pigmentation of the first two rows in this eyeshadow palette. You can see the shimmery and satin shades, the coppery and bronzy shades. These four shades are so highly pigmented. But the matte shades, here you can see this shade is not at all visible on, it is like my skin tone actually. Friends, you can see these are the two rows, the bottom two rows of this eyeshadow palette. You can see the shades are very highly pigmented and they look so gorgeous, friends, as you can see. So I'm going to use this concealer, that is Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20, and I'm going to use this to draw a cut crease. So basically I am going to do half cut crease. I'm not going to do a full cut crease. I'm going to use this flat shaded brush to take this concealer, to pick this concealer, and I'm going to apply this and draw a half cut crease like this. So I'm going to use this flat shaded brush, you can see, to apply that this shade, this bronzy sort of shade, you can see, friends. I'm going to apply this shade on the top of my concealer directly without setting it with any powder, so that I will get a good pigmentation. So friends, truly speaking, I'm not happy with this particular shade. It is not very pigmented as it was showing on this palette. So I'm going to pick this coppery shade over here. You can see this shade, and this one I'm going to apply on top of this. You can see it is getting really well picked with this brush. So let's see. So this shade is actually looking good and it is visible on my eyelid. So now I'm going to apply this matte black shade over here, and I'm going to intensify my outer V. So friends, now I'm going to pick this shade over here. You can see this light brown shade, and I'm going to pick it very light handed, and I'm going to blend it in my transition line as a transition shade. I'm going to extend that shade to my lower lash line like this. Friends, now I'm going to apply a liner, and I'm going to use this Maybelline New York the Colossal Bold Eyeliner. And I'm going to take this kajal. This is NY Bay, the big apple of my eye, kajal in the shade black. I'm going to apply this on my waterline, and I'm going to tight line as well. So friends, now I'll be applying falsies, and I'll be back. So now I'm going to use this mascara. This is Essence Lash Princess Mascara. Now I'm going to apply this in my lower lash line. This is a light golden sort of shade, and it is a satin shade, and I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes and my brow bone using this shade. Coming to the pro and cons of this particular eyeshadow palette, the first pro that I found is the pigmentation at this price. The pigmentation is really very good. Second pro is the eyeshadows are really very blendable. They blend really well, so that is what I liked a lot. And friends, the third pro that I found is this eyeshadow palette is really very affordable. Only for rupees 599 we are getting 32 eyeshadows. You will always get this palette within rupees 400 after discount in Amazon, Flipkart. So definitely you can pick at the time of offers on a very less price. Fourth point that I found is this palette is very versatile. You can use it to create smoky eye makeup looks. You can use it to create everyday kind of eye makeup looks, daytime eye makeup looks, and it will look very beautiful. Mainly the girls who are going to office or college going students, they can invest in such type of palettes, because at such a lowest price you are getting a very good neutral toned eyeshadow palette which you can use to create eye makeup looks that you can wear to office or to college on a day-to-day basis. The fifth pro that I found is there's a very good quality full size mirror given in this palette for this price. In many palettes actually there is no good mirror given. There is not even a single mirror given, and those palettes are also above rupees 1000. Friends, the sixth pro is this particular palette is very easily available on Nykaa, Purple, Amazon, Flipkart. Everywhere you'll be getting this particular palette on a very good price point. So friends, coming to the cons, the first con that I found is some of the shades in this eyeshadow palette are not very highly pigmented, so you have to build it up. You have to pick them up some 2 to 3 times, and after that you'll be getting pigmentation on your eyelids. Friends, the second con that I found in this palette is the many shades are repetitive. There is not much color choices given in the matte shades that are given in this particular palette, and there are not much transition shades available as well. There is only I think these two shades and this one over here that can be used as transition shades. So if we will compare the pros and cons, then we can see the pros are more in comparison to the cons. You can definitely invest your money in this palette, because for such a less price we are getting so many eyeshadows, daily wear kind of eyeshadows. Friends, I hope this particular video is helpful to you, and if it's helpful then please comment down below and let me know. Friends, I'll be back again with another such video for you all. Till then, bye, take care, love you.